Redefine International owns properties in the UK, Germany and Australia.
Yeah, so this is the old CIREF. It's connected with Redefine here, and it has done a tremendous job also in accumulating assets, principally in the UK and Europe, and it's grown to a pretty sizable player in the European property market.
18.1 billion rand to be precise, and a current yield here of just over 7%.
I think what that means is the same as historic. Yeah.
Right, so give us your thoughts.
We've got about 20% exposure to Germany now, and they bought the ORC portfolio, which they say enhanced the quality of the portfolio. But notwithstanding that, for me, this isn't an average portfolio. It's high yielding, but the real good properties are the ones which both have yield and growth. And if you have to choose between the two, I would rather go for growth. And this one is more yield focused than growth focused. So not the best portfolio in my opinion.
Paul, yield versus growth is what JP's put on the table.
Under CEO Mike Waters, and then also with the influence of the Redefine guys here, they really more went into sort of traditional European markets, like buying hotels in Scotland and chains of retail properties in Germany and a bit of office and so on. So it's not like the Eastern Frontier, like we were talking about for the rest of the show. This is a more competitive environment. And the property market in these countries is often dominated by wealthy old money families, private foundations. It's not as corporatized as you might think. So that's somewhat of an opportunity, but it also means that it's quite hard, I think, to accumulate quality at an attractive yield, and it's quite tough, is what I'm saying.
For all Paul's fans out there, he's redeemed himself, and I haven't been Paul bashing for the show. I just have to give him a hard time as a barometer. So there we go. Let's look at the share price graph.
Not quite as exciting as the two that we looked at before this one.
JP, as you say, you are on growth versus yield. Paul, hot or not?
I just think the team has done well. So I like the way that they've gone about it. I had some communication with them once when I said I thought they were a bit small by European standards, and they said, actually, no, we're one of the largest.
So you're happy to go for yield over growth?
No, I'm happy to tip the guys in terms of the effort that they're putting into it. So I'm happy to go hot on that one.
Not hot from JP. No.